Dad.
Okay.
YouTube, what is good?
It's Dakota and Austin bringing you another video.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast back at you with yet another video, man. And before I really get into this, man, let's make sure that you give this video a like. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, man. We at about 2,700 or so, give or take. We would love to hit 5K, man. If you can help us along the way, that would be awesome. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And drop a comment below, man. Let us know what we're doing, what you want us to do better. You know, tell us we suck. It's all good. We like trolls too, man. So let's get into this. Sorry for the delay, man. It's been like almost a week and a half, but of course it was Thanksgiving and had to go down to Orlando to do a wedding. And I did run into a cool cat, man. I stayed at the Marriott in Orlando, Marriott Airport. And one of the homies, the concierge, Jay. Shout out to the homie Jay, man. Kicked it with him, talked to Kicks a little bit, man. Cool cat, super cool cat. Hopefully we'll be in contact. But today, man, I got something real cool for y'all, man. Early heat alert, early heat alert. We got those Kanye things, man. Come on, man. That Mike Lowry's, you know what I'm saying? No, not Mike Lowry's. That these are the Yeezy 500s. Come on, man. You see the box. You see the box. And the colorway is Salt, Salt, and Salt, aka that Lowry's.
Yo, it's got to be cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks. Lowry's.
You know what I'm saying? We got them Lowry things, man. And this is an unboxing, y'all. So, in one of my previous videos, man, I told one of the homies, man, that I call an unboxing, you know, if somebody ships something to me and I unbox that box, that's what I call an unboxing. If I just got the shoe, that's not technically an unboxing to me. But I don't care what I call it. I mean, whatever y'all want, I don't care. So y'all let me know whether you want me to call this a review, an unboxing with a review, whatever the case may be, man. I am reviewing these shoes, though. So that's what I'm gonna call it, man. Y'all tell me if y'all want me to call it different, and I'll be right on up. How about that? Let me know in the comments. Whatever the comments say, that's what I'm gonna do. So, these guys, wow. So, my factory lacing on one of them is already undone. Somebody probably tried this guy on already. But, hey, that's what happens when it comes early, right? It is what it is. Shout out to the plug, as usual. Y'all mean? There we go, we back in the house. So these are the Salt guys, man. My first impression on these, let me put this box down so I can get to these guys. You see I got the Ye up in the background, man. Shout out to the homie. I know everybody be on it, man, but I still for Kanye. Did I say that? I'll bleep that out. But I still mess with Kanye, man. But yeah, these guys, man, the Salt 500s. Very, very similar to the Blush, in my opinion. It is a slightly more neutral colorway, I guess you could say. This is more of a stone colorway. They don't look as ashy as the Blush did to me. I could be wrong, I could be misinterpreting, but other than that, man, the materials on the 500, man, like I really don't understand why these guys, they charging $300 when the materials on this shoe is so much better than the materials on this shoe. I mean, I know this one has Boost, but Boost is not $100 difference in comfort when it comes to this shoe, man, because this shoe is pretty comfortable. So, let me get into the nuts and bolts of this shoe, man. If y'all don't know, man, the sole of the shoe is not a Kanye design. Like, I know everybody looks at that and that is like one of the major elements of the shoe, but this sole actually came off of a Kobe Bryant shoe from way back in the day, man. I can't remember the exact model. If I can find the model, I'll put it up right here. Yeah, this model actually came, this sole actually came from a Kobe Bryant model. They just kind of repurposed it for this shoe, but I think it fits. I think it goes like legit dope with this guy. But other than that, man, you got the suede on the toe box. That suede is premium leather, premium leather. These little circular pods here, man, they are suede as well. You also have a leather mixed in there along with a mesh. A lot of things going on with this shoe, man. The tongue has all kinds of, the tongue has mesh, leather, pretty much mesh and leather all the way through it, man. It's a cold sneaker, man. It's a dope sneaker. It's definitely a dope sneaker. I will definitely be rocking these guys. Y'all let me know in the comments whether or not you rock with these, man, or not. They also have the suede on the back there as well as being outlined in the leather. So they definitely dope, man. They're worth a cop. They released on the 30th, man. So today is the 26th of November. These released on the 30th of November, which is, let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They released on this Friday, man. So hopefully you guys are able to get your hands on these. I can tell you right now, if you're a reseller, the small sizes on all the 500s are really, really jumping. So I'm not into the resale thing. I mean, I know I do shows and sell sneakers every now and again, but that's really just kind of recycling my collection so I can make room for other stuff, to be honest, and so I can keep the wife off my back. You know what I'm saying? So I can make a little money so I can go ahead and buy some more sneakers. You know what I'm saying? You got to be smart when you're in the sneaker game, man, if you're a collector, because it can become a lot of money. It can become a lot of money. But if you're smart with it, man, you can buy some, sell some, buy some more, sell some, buy some more. You know, you can keep flipping it. It's kind of like the dope game. Hopefully y'all able to grab these if you really like them, man. I do have a couple of more things coming my way this week, so look out for a couple of more videos coming this way, man. And that's about it, man. Salt guys in hand. Thumbnail that I never use. Hopefully, man, like I said, you're able to cop these. They do drop this Friday, the 30th of November, 2018. I need to start putting the whole date in because I go back and watch my videos and be like, what day was that? So yeah, cool. That's it, man. Salts in hand. Austin was not able to make this video, man. It's Pops rolling solo dolo today, man. Austin, I don't even know where Austin is, man. I think he's rolling out to his girl's house, man, to be honest. But I wanted to get this video out to y'all, man. So, y'all mean? Salt guys, man. They in the building. Dad, Cam,